Hi everyone, this is Debbie Byram, librarian at Stanwood High School, and today I'm going to show you how to merge MARC records in Destiny Library Manager. Oftentimes you come across a book that has more than one MARC record for the same title. So when you come across these, it's easy to just merge those two records into one. So first you need to make sure that you're logged into Destiny as a site administrator. Then you're going to come up to the little toggle switch here and make sure that you are in library view. So if you do have resource manager also, you want to make sure you're in library view. Then you're going to come over to the catalog tab and we'll come down to resource lists. And here you're going to create a list so that you have a place to put those duplicate MARC records temporarily. So I've created one called Merging MARC Records. If you don't have one, come up to Add List and then just create a title for it and click Save. And that's where you're going to put those MARC records temporarily. Again, mine is called Merging MARC Records. So then we're going to come back up to Library Search and we're going to look for the books that have duplicate MARC records. So maybe you already know of one in your catalog that you have a duplicate MARC record for. I know that we have The Runaway Jury by John Grisham. We happen to have two MARC records for that book. So what I'm going to do is I see that there are two MARC records and make sure that under my selected list I have that Merging MARC Records resource list that I just created. And I'm going to add both of these titles to that list. Then we're going to come back down to our resource lists. I'm going to go back into my Merging MARC Records list. And there's the two that I put in here. And I actually had another one here, The Street Lawyer. I had two MARC records for that one. So let's look at The Runaway Jury first. We have two MARC records for that. You'll see a little box over here which says duplicated title. So we're going to click on both of those because those are duplicated titles. And we're going to come up here to choose an option and click View These Duplicates and then click Go. That brings up both of these Runaway Juries, and I'm going to select which one is the best MARC record to merge them to. So I might want to look at the details and see what's in the description here of this MARC record. And I can go back and do the same thing with the other one and then decide which one has the best MARC record. This one has a lot more in the description, so I might want to use this one. So I'm going to choose this one as the best MARC record and then click Merge. Where it says best title, I choose that and then click Merge. And then it will ask me if I'm sure that I want to do this, and because this process cannot be reversed. So I'm going to click Yes, and it's going to merge those two into one. Okay, and now I have one Runaway Jury instead of two. And now I can remove this from my list. So I'm going to click Remove. I'm not removing it from the catalog, I'm just removing it from my list. And I can do the same thing with The Street Lawyer. Let's look at the two details of this MARC record. And they're relatively the same, except that one has a picture and one does not. So we're going to select the duplicated titles again, choose an option, View These Duplicates, click Go, and we'll choose this one and we'll click Merge. And click Yes. And now we have one MARC record and all of your books are within that record now. So now we can remove that from the list and you're ready to repeat this process with any other books that you locate. I hope that was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.